sponsored by Home Chef, which is a meal delivery service that provides a box of pre-portioned fresh ingredients directly to you that are ready to cook. With 17 rotating menu items each week, including vegetarian and calorie-conscious meals, fun add-ons like smoothies and 5-minute lunches, there's something for everyone. They recently launched a brand new line of products called Fresh and Easy that are so easy to prepare and leave no mess, which is perfect for weekday meals. In the meantime, if you're interested, you can click the link in my description box to try Home Chef for yourself and get $80 off. That's $20 off of your first 4 orders with my code, Lakeisha80, that I will also have linked in the description box for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. So as you can see, your girl got her face beat down today, y'all. I didn't do it myself. I had to go get my makeup done, y'all. I'm doing a photo shoot to get some cute birthday pictures for social media, as well as get some pictures to update my website. If you haven't been there, check it in a couple weeks. I don't know if this vlog will be posted before or after I get my pictures back, but stay on the lookout for my pictures I'm gonna take. But that's what I have planned today. So as you can see, I have a car full of stuff because, as I said, it is to update my website. So I have like some balloons, boxwood hedge. I have my cake down here. It's so cute. I will show it to you guys once I get inside. I arrived to the studio a little earlier than I needed to be here, so I'm just sitting in the car. Also going to get some family pictures in, so Dakota and Blue are coming. And yeah, so once we get inside, I will show you guys a little bit of what's going on, and then we're going to share some news with you guys. If you saw the title of the video, you already know what that news is. So it's a bittersweet moment for us, but we'll tell you about it a little later. I have been running around here like a chicken with my head cut off. I've been so busy trying to get stuff together and trying to stay organized. I've been throwing away stuff because I have to tell you guys more about that later on. When Kelvin gets here, we're going to tell you guys where we're moving to and all of that. But yeah, I just wanted to do the check. That plane sounds so close. But I just wanted to do a quick check-in with you guys and get this vlog started. And I will see you guys once we get inside and I start doing my pictures. Almost a wrap. We got within focus photography on the camera, Babe and Dakota. Hey y'all, so I just made it back home. Me and Coda made it back home. Kelvin and Dakota came separate to my photo shoot, so she rode with me, so I got to ride HOV down, which is the express lane, and we got home before Kelvin did. He'll probably be home about 15 minutes after us, hopefully no more than that. It wasn't that much traffic. But I'm about to cook us up some lunch, and I am super excited to share with you guys because I have been so busy trying to get us prepared for this move, along with my already scheduled events, and then try to keep up with the vlogs for you guys. I have been going crazy, and I haven't really been having as much time as I want to actually cook. I already don't cook a lot, so now it's just been non-existent. But today's video is sponsored by Home Chef, and they sent me an awesome package in the mail the other day. I got to pick out a few meals, and I'm going to try one of them with you guys on today. And so what I'm going to be cooking today is this pasta, and I cannot wait to give it a try. And I'm going to go ahead and get all of my ingredients out so we can see if we can get this made before Kelvin comes home. Home Chef is launching a new line of products called Fresh and Easy, which are supposed to be completely easy to make and leave no mess, which is awesome when you're always on the go and don't have as much time like I've been having lately. This is an entirely new product that I can't wait to try and share with you guys. So this plan has 3 types of meals. There's the oven ready, grill ready, and entree salads. So regardless of if you like to cook or not cook, this meal plan is gonna make everything super easy for you. And another way this new plan is gonna help you save time is if you struggle with keeping your kitchen clean while you're cooking, or even just not wanting to do dishes after, you don't have to worry about it because everything comes ready in its own pan, ready to go. This new meal plan is perfect for weeknight meals. Dakota is in school age, but I couldn't imagine having me getting ready, finished with work, getting her home, getting her homework done, just to be able to throw a few ingredients, fresh ingredients, in a pot and get them ready and have them time without a mess is amazing, and it's a mom win for me. The meal that I'm going to be trying today is going to be an oven ready meal. Everything is already proportioned down to size so that I don't have to worry about measuring anything. I'm just going to put everything in my oven pan and get it ready to go. All of the ingredients come fresh and inside of the pack and already pre-portioned, so I'll have dinner, and in this case lunch, ready in no time for us. Also, the oven ready meals are designed with 5-minute meal prep, and once you pop it in the oven, it's ready in 25 to 40 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and get started cooking it. If you would like to sign up for this offer, which is amazing, you can get $80 off, which is $20 off your first 4 meals, and I will have it linked down in the description box below for you, as well as my coupon code for the offer. Y'all ready to cook? Let's go. They can also send you this cute little binder to keep all your recipes in. So I have all my ingredients for my meal here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started by turning to the recipe that we're gonna be doing today, which is the Chipotle Chicken Alfredo Baked Penne. It has our ingredients here, and then our recipe is going to be on the back side. And it's simple and easy to read and use, nothing complicated. So we're gonna start the dish by preheating our oven to 425 degrees. And now we're gonna mix the chicken, pasta, Alfredo sauce, corn, chipotle, and pesto, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of salt in the bottom of the provided tray, and spread to an even layer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my chicken washed off, as well as all my other ingredients, my corn and my pasta. I'm gonna wash all this off and go ahead and get it in the pan, and I'll be right back. And guys, would you believe I don't even have to cut up my chicken? It's already diced for me. Now that's the most amazing thing. I hate cleaning chicken. Guys, so I am back. The food is almost done. We have 7 minutes and 20 seconds left. Time is going by super fast, and Kelvin just got home just in time for lunch, and we're gonna go ahead and tell you guys where we're moving to.
What did you cook that fast? Can we just get home? Good.
I just cooked one of the new easy prep meals from Home Chef, but
done already.
No, close it so I can finish cooking thoroughly now. We're gonna tell our YouTube fam where we're moving to. So Kelvin just got a promotion at work, which is gonna require us to move. We're going far, far away. We're leaving Georgia. Okay. So we're not moving down the street or around the corner. We're going kind of far away, guys. So I will still be doing events here in Atlanta as I need to. So I will come back. I'll still be doing events in Atlanta, as well as
Seattle.
We're going to Seattle, guys. So how many of you guys do I have in Seattle? I'm gonna need some new friends. I know 0 people on that side of the world. So me and Coda gonna need some play dates and some new friends. So y'all comment down below, let me know, who do I have in Seattle? Are you still in the oven?
Yeah, I got my fork ready. It looks good. It smells good too.
It does smell really, really good, guys. You guys definitely, again, if you were interested in trying this out, it was super fast and easy, and I think Home Chef literally just saved our lives. I have like, we're trying to pack up stuff. Actually, I'm gonna do an empty house tour with you guys, or once we get everything, because everything is chaos right now because we have so much stuff everywhere. We're trying to get rid of as much stuff as we can because we're going to Seattle with plans on coming back home. So we don't want to have to take a whole bunch of stuff to Seattle, so I'm getting rid of as much stuff as I can that's unnecessary. Our house right now is 7 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. And because we're gonna go up there and we're gonna try to be smart about things, we're gonna downsize to save as much as we can, so when we come back home we can purchase our forever home. This is the first home we purchased and I loved it so much. I love it, still do love it so much, but you know, we want to get, after you buy your first house, you know what you want in your forever home, and this house has definitely been such a blessing to us. And when we come back, we plan on buying our forever home, so we're gonna be smart, and we're gonna downsize. So we're taking one of everything. I don't know if we're gonna be in 2 or 3 bedrooms yet, looking at the prices in Seattle. How y'all surviving over there? But we're definitely gonna be downsizing, and I plan on vlogging a lot more family, regular, schmegular, everyday stuff to document this journey for us, as well as bring you guys along with us. So yeah, if I have any subscribers in Seattle, please comment down below and let me know. So we have 3 minutes and 21 seconds left for our Home Chef meal.
It's done, I'm telling you.
Leave it alone, Kelvin. It was.
Don't make me look like a pro.
Make you look like a pro.
Yeah, I can just throw one of those in the oven, take it out of the container.
Yeah, it's that easy.
And
Well,
then-
that's the
then
other.
You'll think that
I'm blurry.
Then you'll think that I did a gourmet meal.
So the second meal that I got is actually steak, potatoes, and zucchini. I might throw that into another vlog if we have anything interesting coming up to film for you guys as a family vlog. But yeah, it looks so good, and I'm gonna show it to you. Guys. So one of my favorite things about these Home Chef meals are the fact that your meat comes like cleaned and ready to go. I hate cleaning meat, especially chicken. So let me show you how clean it looks. So this is the chicken that I actually just put inside of the pasta that I made, and then these are the steaks that I got. I just love it. Like, this has saved my life. Thank you, Home Chef. So we have 1 minute 44 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the oven here in just a second, show you guys what we working with. So it says to let it cool for 5 minutes once we take it out. So I'm gonna take it out, sit it up here so it can cool down. It looks so good. Once it's done cooling, it says to garnish it with these crispy jalapenos, but babe doesn't like spice, so we're gonna skip that step. I might put a little bit on my half. Once it's finished cooling, we're gonna test it out and see how good it tastes, or if it's even good. I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, so we are back and we are eating, and it actually tastes really good and fresh. We're in the kitchen eating like this because we don't have a dining room table anymore. We sold it, the one we have in here already, so we're gonna eat it just as fast as it cooked anyway. And if you are interested in Home Chef, go ahead and check out the link in my description box below to try it out. It's the perfect time because you will get $80 off of your orders. That's $20 off of your first 4 orders. And yeah, perfect. You guys save the code of some now.
I'm just getting a little bit more. The color's not gonna be done.
I'm gonna go ahead and finish my plate and relax. We may be back a little bit later if we have anything else going on. But see y'all later. Hey y'all, so since we last cooked together, we have went to babe's job. They threw him the best congratulations, see you later party ever. Let me tell you, if I ever have to go back in corporate America, if I don't have co-workers like those, I don't want them. They are so amazing. But I'm about to lay it down and go to bed. I am exhausted. This has been a long day. Started at 6 o'clock this morning, so I'm about to go to bed. We have potential property managers coming tomorrow to look at the house, tell us if there's anything else that we need to do that we haven't already done recently to upgrade the house for renting, and yeah, I will check back in with you guys next time something eventful happens in this project. And I have a baby shower as well as centerpiece tutorial and like I think just one other balloon garland vlog that I have in the stash for you guys coming up. So stay tuned. Love you guys. Thanks so much for rocking with me. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And I will see you guys next time. About to take these lashes off and go to bed. Y'all that wear them every day, how do y'all do it? I cannot wear these every day. But anyway, see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.